Rebuilding begins with you. Self-reliance is key. Write your new story. Solitude brings clarity. Take one step at a time. Inner peace leads to transformation. Break free from your past. You are your own strength. Growth comes from within. Reflect, rebuild, renew. Physical action leads to mental change. Embrace the process. Moving forward is rebuilding. Silence the noise to hear yourself. Your vision starts here. Document your progress. You are stronger than you think. Every challenge is growth. Focus on what you can control. Rebuild your mindset. Rebuild your life. Be your own hero. Action creates change. Reset your mind daily. Leave the old you behind. The harder you work, the stronger you become. Let go of what weighs you down. Every step rebuilds you. Embrace your solitude. Each step brings you closer. Rebuild yourself. You're unstoppable. Subscribe if this helped.